What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and you already see what we got on deck. We got serious business. We got my S9 Plus, and I picked up that OtterBox Defender Series rugged protection case. You already know I done did a lot of OtterBoxes on this channel. This is serious business. As far as protection go, when I want my phone to feel completely protected, this is the brand that I do go to. It's a lot of wannabes and knockoffs out here. From my experiences, a lot of times the wannabes and knockoffs with the $20 price point, their products aren't, on this level. I've been rocking with OtterBox since BlackBerry. But here it is. It's the OtterBox Defender Series for my Galaxy S9 Plus. Serious case or serious device. You see a lot of those folks that work law enforcement, folks that work in the medical field, folks that work construction. You see them with this case, and it's for a reason. It's very protective, has the best holster that I've came across, as long as I've been buying phones and phone cases and things of that nature. So let's take a look at the box. Always some nice packaging. And as you can see, it's a screenless edition. Lately, they've been doing that, not putting screens on these cases. And the reason is, from what I heard, speculation, I heard that them having a built-in screen protector, once you put it into the case, it was locked in so tight, the pressure against the screen constantly was not good for the display. So that's just the rumor that I heard, and it makes sense. It does make sense. But I don't mind. A lot of times, if you look back at my old videos, I take the screen protector out. I mean, the screen is recessed so far back that I've had to be very calculated in my drop and drop this on some jagged rocks to crack my screen. And I just don't like screen protectors. I don't like the way they feel. So like I said, let's just check out the box. As you can see, OtterBox certified drop protection. It says drop protection, multi-layer protection, belt clip holster, and dust protection. Defend your device from drops, dirt, and deadly adventures. That's what's up. So very easy unboxing here, guys. We do a slide it out like so. I'm gonna present it with the case. Pull the case up out. And it got some stuff back here. This Defender was designed without a screen protector. 4 innovative devices with curved screens. Yeah. But that's what I heard. It was kind of messing up some of the screens on like the Galaxy phones and whatnot. I'm done with this. I'm done with the packaging. Let's take a look at the case. Okay, as you can see, it comes out the box installed onto the holster. Here's the holster, very nice holster right here. I broke a few of these, but it was like negligence. It was my negligence. I'll chalk it up. If I'm careful, I really don't break these, but they are breakable, but they the best. I mean, you can break anything if you put your mind to it, but these really hold up really good. And I like to keep one phone a lot of times on my hip, because let's say if it's a damn walk around with 3 phones, if I could take one and put it on my hip, that's a lot more space in my pockets. But yeah, definitely a nice holder, nice OtterBox branding on there. And also, it doubles. You push this back. Oh, there we go. Push it back, and it's a kickstand now. So that's dope. So you can watch you some BG Tech Life. Here we have the case. We have 2 parts right here. You got like a silicone outer case and the hard like polyurethane inner case. I'm not gonna get too technical here. As you can see, this is the inner case. As you can see, says some branding, OtterBox certified drop protection plus. As you can see, the silicone has some branding on it, and that's that dust protection. Covers up your ports. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just go over with y'all. I'm gonna go over how to put this on and how this thing works. Now, this is actually a 4-part case, because this piece right here is actually 2 parts. As you can see, all the little clips And all you gotta do is don't sit here and pull this case and pry it and get a screwdriver. Just where you see the arrow pointing, those are little clips. You put your finger in there, you can pull it up like so. Like, see this one? Boom, put my finger in. I pull up on it a little bit, comes right off. Don't break your case strong arming it. So, boom, it's apart. And that's what you get with an OtterBox. 4-part case, very good protection. Now, I'm going to install my Galaxy S9. Put this on the back. I mean, it's you know, self-explanatory. Put it in, put the front shield on. You can hear it snapping as I go. You want to make sure all them snaps, boom, it's snapped. You want to make sure all the snaps are snapped, because if this is not seated right, the silicone may not seat right. You know, I just pressed it. You know, there's a little gap up under the silicone, as you can see, that fits over this this trim side on this case. It fits over here, snaps into place. You just press down on it, so that way it's nice and neat. Nobody wants no wild, you know, and that's what some of the wannabe OtterBox cases, they kind of like all over the place. As you can see, got my OtterBox installed. Boom. Looks really good. Now, on a regular day, every day, I'm not going to have my phone in the OtterBox. But them days that I might be out and about or doing something, you know, outside, things of that nature, and I got my phone on me, I might be changing my oil or something, I'll put the OtterBox on, put the phone on my side, and I don't really got to worry about it too much. As you can see, nice recession for the cameras back here, nice deep recess, you know, for your fingerprint scanner and your flash and your heart rate sensor. As you can see, still got a nice little cutout for the bottom facing speaker. Then you can open these up. Keep you free of dust on the bottom of your device. Nice and free of dust. You don't want nothing getting up in your ports. You know, some people get ports and they break. As you can see on the side, we got a different type of texture right here. This adds to grip. What does BG Tech Life say about grip? Grip is a big part of drop protection. Definitely a big part of drop protection, because with grip, the more grip you have, the least likely you are to drop your device. As you can see, just some nice grip on the side, something for you to hold on to. And this is not too, like in the hand, it's not too thick. It doesn't feel too thick in the hand. It's not as bulky as it used to be. OtterBoxes used to be real bulky, but they're not as bulky. And as you can see, I mean, you just got a tremendously raised lip on the edge of the device. So if you drop it, you know, on the flat surface, boom, that's a drop test, y'all. I'm going to do a drop test right now. 3 feet. I'm dropping it. Oh, drop test. Phone still intact. 3 feet drop test. First on BG Tech Life. You just watched the first. But yeah, man, OtterBoxes are really dope. A lot of people say, oh, they're bulky, they're too much. I just like to rock out with a D-brand skin and a screen protector. But some people need something more. Some people need a case that's more rugged than just the skin sometimes, especially with these phones now that they have glass backs. You know, like, and let's take an iPhone back in the day. It had an aluminum back. So if I put a screen protector on the front, I'm cool without back. If I drop it, the most that's going to happen to the aluminum, it might scratch or something like that. But now we got glass backs. And if you really out there and you might, you know, or you like a clumsy person, you dropping your device all the time, or, you know, you out there getting in and out the car, whatever, phone sliding out the car, whatever, you might need this, because now we got these glass backs, and the back of the phone, the glass on the back costs just as much as the screen. You know what I mean? But yeah, definitely dope, man. OtterBox. I'm gonna put a link in the description. Here we go. Let me put nice little fit right in place and get a little click. There you go. I'm trying to pull it off. It's not coming. It's not coming. Boom. We could get some nice footage. We could watch some nice footage just like that. Kickstand is really nice. So yeah, definitely a dope case, man. If you need this type of protection, this is the most rugged case that I've came across. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. With quality, most rugged, but you know, it's still a quality case. It looks good. It adds a little bulk, of course, but with the amount of protection you get, I mean, it's worth it and it's gonna last. I've had OtterBoxes for years. This your man BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram, BG Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. Is your man BG Tech Life. I'm out. Peace.